Built for entertaining with unmatched functionality, welcome to our brand new listing here in Gulf Harbour. With open plan living from in to out, spend the days by the pool or evenings hosting dinner parties and barbecues. Set nicely across 2 levels, you've got the double glazing, the cavity system and a multitude of storage, and a home like this is hard to beat.
Our owners are downsizing and this property is a rare find. Nathan and Josh from Harcourt's Cooper & Co. Welcome to 6 Commodore Court here in Gulf Harbour. Come and check it out.
What an incredible opportunity to own a lifestyle like this. It's built for entertainment, it's functional and open plan, and it's not going to last long.
Nathan and Josh from Harcourt's Cooper & Co. Give us a call today or see you at the open homes.